Hello, today we're going to do a really quick tutorial on how to get this eye makeup look. The very first palette we're going to use is the Color Shifter by Sephora. It is in Strange Red Poppy. We're going in with this color right here. This is going onto the eyelid. And be generous, make sure you get it there. Now put on some tape. If you put it on your hand first and then take it off, it takes off less makeup. And we want to angle it about the same, so right about there. Lovely. Next we're coming in with the Melt Cosmetic Fire Zodiac, and we are going to use the color Hothead. And then what we're going to do is just kind of pull it out here and bring it over. Lovely. And bring it a few times over. Really get it blended in nice. Using the same palette, but now we're going in with a blending brush. We are going to use the shade Ego Trip, this one right here. And we're just going to outline, bring it down a little bit here, and just outline and kind of make it like a darker gradient. Really take your time and blend it in nicely. So next what we're doing, we're coming in with this color shifter, and this one is Hypnotic Yellow Sunflower, and we're going to use the shifter color itself with our finger and just go in at the front here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Go in like a few times to really get that like pop of color that you want. Put a little bit under there too. So next we're going to do the eyeliner. We're going in with this little angled brush, the Natasha Denona I Love You Dream Palette, and we are going to use the shade Vision. It is dual chrome and it is just something else. Just follow along here. Kind of go like that too. Nothing crazy. Now for mascara, I like to use the Sephora Love the Lift and then the LYS Lash Confidence after that. Now for the satisfying part. So crisp. And this is the final look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was easy to follow along too. If you like this, like it, comment, let me know what else you'd like to see. And if you aren't already subscribe if you'd like. And I can't wait to see you next time. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.